ma'am.
Good afternoon and welcome to my class. Okay, so I'm just going to share the screen. What we do. This chapter is not there, na? Chapter 6 is there, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Page number
Yes.
chapter 6.
54.
So these are practical based chapters. First of all, I'm not going to read from this. Where what I am just going to do, I am just going to stop this share and I am just going to open one document. Okay, Word document. One of my means there is another child back at my home right now, and he is very excited to see the wallpaper of my computer. That is why his request is turn on the computer throughout the day, because he's a fan of the Marvel, means all the characters. Okay, whatever. So first of all, here three things you need to understand from here. First of all, there these are called the ribbon. Okay, the top ribbon. Here you will see many option is there. First option is ribbon display option. Next is minimize, and after that restore, and after that close. Now minimize means I can just minimize like this. So my word is opened and it will be shown in the taskbar. Okay, again can just restore it like that. Now here this window is actually doing, we can resize our window like that. Okay, are you able to see? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
these
Yes,
are
ma'am. We
the
can see. Yes, ma'am.
basic thing. Now here customize quick access toolbar. What can we do here? We can customize it from here. This is a saves quick option they have given. Okay, because previously we need to go to file, we need to save it or save as or something like that. But here if by just pressing on here we can save as. Now here, since my laptop is just screen touch, here the touch option is given. Okay, if I'm just going to on that, the space will be much bigger in between the top part. Here you, I hope that you all are able to see. Okay, because I have just turned on the touch option. I am never turned on. Mostly I'm using the mouse because I feel like means a phone can be handled by touching, but a laptop is it's really difficult for touching while writing anything. It's okay, good. Now here, these all are called one tab, file tab, okay, home tab, insert tab, design, and everything, whatever is there. And here you can see that oh, the document's name is given. Since I have not saved any document, I have not given any name particular doc to my particular this document. The name is document one. By default, this name is showing.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, by default, here many things you need to understand. The by default, the style is Calibri, size is 11. We can just change it here and there. So this is home, and here the clipboard, font, paragraph styles, editing. All these things you can see. clipboard font, paragraph styles, editing. This needs this words. These are called group. So in between one group, the similar tasks are allocated. Suppose I am just going to insert. Okay, going to insert. Now here pages means we can from here cover page, blank page, whatever we want to do, we can just do. In the symbols, the equation we can enter, or the symbols also we can enter. Okay, so many things from here we can do. If, the same
Ma'am,
for yes. Any doubts?
ma'am, in last you will show me how to download anything.
How to download wallpapers?
Any app, ma'am, any app.
Any app, which app you are wanting? Tell me, I will just download it. I will make a video and send it to you.
Ma'am, Play Store.
Play Store in
Laptop, you have to go Google
But
Chrome and foresight button, and there you can see the Play Store.
no, Google Play Store in the exactly the Play Store you can use in the Google.
I mean Windows, it is.
In
Ma'am,
Windows.
for that
Ma'am,
we have to just
Okay, just stop it,
Zoom.
stop it. Just see whatever I'm showing. This chapter is very small. I want to finish it right now. Okay. So here my daughter's name I'm going to write. Many of you are asking repeatedly. I'm just getting bored. So here I will do every styling and everything. Okay. So here, first of all, to change the style, we need to select it. Okay. So for selecting, I am using the shortcut Control A or Shift Home to select the line. I want to change the style first. Oh, this is good. Okay. So here, after that, if I am just going to change I can change the size also. It will be looks like that, right? Now here, color also I can change from here. Any color if you are wanting to give, you can just give. Personally, green is right now. I really like this color. Sometimes one two color is permanent I like, but few colors are just means I am uh, now here many things you can just do. Suppose mostly what I am using, suppose this is my document I want to write. I just may customized it previously. Margins I have just put narrow, and after I will just uh, giving the space less so that the in between the two lines the space will be very less. And from here also many things you can do, but why I'm not finding those options. Okay, so from here page color also you can choose. Okay, you can just customize it accordingly. Page border also you can apply from the design. Okay, so you need to remember those things. Shadow design, suppose I'm giving here a little shadow, you can give. Also word art, these are the more mainly interesting things in or things to you can just use that. Okay, so select any word art, it will be changed accordingly. Okay, you can just make it bigger, make it smaller, whatever you want to do. Again, from here, not only that, from here you can just text outline, you can just give, means many changes, whatever the changes you want, you can just do, you can just customize it. Okay. So personally, the red is looking good. I must say. So safe fill here. Suppose this part you want to fill with some color. The part I don't like very much loud color. So yeah, that's looks good. So like this way you can just change everything. Okay, first of all, I'm just stopping the share because today we are just going to cover the entire chapter. Why Ucho and Rishabh you are fighting?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, how can we add our own watermark to a document?
On watermark I will show. Just let me check the book that at least the most of the things are done or
Okay,
not.
ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
So from here, okay.
Ma'am,
So
how to
first,
download Zoom laptop?
how to download what?
Zoom in laptop.
In laptop.
Write www.zoom.com. You will get.
Now zoom.us.
Yeah.
Very easily. You can do
I
in Google Chrome.
I will just tell you.
What do you want? Just search in the Google. You will get that.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So from page
Google
layout,
help us to
okay.
go.
From page layout, mostly they have shown home paragraph. These apps they have shown. Sorry, these options they have shown. You are just talking about apps. That is why I'm also talking about apps. Okay, changing styles also you can do. But the thing is, what you have to remember, the from where you are just doing it from where. Okay, means this tab's name actually yours. You all this tab's name from where we are inserting, where how we are designing, how why the layouts are there. Like this, all these tabs name you need to memorize. Okay, so in the home tab you need to understand that font. In the font what option are there. Suppose I want to highlight. Okay, I want to highlight this text again. Oh, okay, this is since this is word art, this will not be highlight. Here I am just writing anything computer class. Okay, so suppose I want to highlight this part by red. Sorry, this will be highlighted. Now someone told me to watermark option will you will get
Yes, ma'am.
from design tab, page background. Okay, so watermark you just select. Here I'm just going to make custom watermark. Okay, here you can select text watermark. So first of all you need to select watermark. Text is ASAP is given. Suppose I want to give it your school name. Okay, since we are just doing school related things. Saint Xavier's. Font is Calibri. Everything you can just do. Personally, Calibri I don't like. I like Times New Roman. Okay, keep it. Cambria is also good. Size is suppose 44 I'm choosing. Color is light gray is there. I want to keep it at darker gray. Okay. Horizontal, diagonal, anything you can do and press OK. You can see the watermark will come. Okay. So whenever you are just making any documents, any picture also you can use as your watermark. Is it clear?
Ma'am,
Yes,
how
ma'am.
can we add picture? Please show.
Okay, so insert, go to insert, go to picture. Okay,
Oh,
here
yeah.
here few screenshots are there. Just I'm adding any random screenshot from here. Okay, so insert. After that, it will be inserted like that. Though this is class 8 programming, I was teaching them. Okay, you can
Okay,
resize it whenever you are just entering any picture. This chapter is mostly you can explore if you are having system. You
ma'am,
can
I have
explore it.
done one presentation from online pictures. I have take the picture.
Yes, from there also you can crop the
Ma'am, I have
picture.
also once
Okay,
made
so
one.
choose the crop option. The crop option will come. Suppose this red part, this is actually I was teaching them how to make a very basic website. Okay, so this red options you want to keep, rest of the option you want to discard. So you can edit it from here. Okay, so done. Can you see this is actually looking good, right? So like this way you can just you can just make change on of your all the of your
Now tell.
okay. Now any more questions? Because this chapter
No, ma'am.
mostly you need to explore by yourself, because how many options are word giving, that is numerous. In one or two class I am not able to complete it, so I will just do, I can do one thing, I can give you a very basic work, like write your name, class, roll number, add page background color, save the file and send it. Now saving option I am showing it. So this class video you need to see and you need to do. I will just give one assignment this time. File, save. So automatically my all the folders will come. Okay, so I want to save in standard 6. Okay, computer, suppose word file, since we are learning, we are just going to save it and save it. So one time while you are saving it, you don't have to bother that much. Okay. One one more thing here I want to say. Here references, mailings, review, view, these options are not much important. File, home, insert, design, and layout. Mostly we are using. Okay, so here also we can do the
Ma'am, then in
bulletin.
our book, there is one option that equations. What is the equations?
Okay, insert equation from here. You can just insert
Hello, ma'am.
insert. Suppose I want to Pythagorean theorem I want to add. So not here, exactly not here. Why it is added over here? Okay, suppose here I want to add, since the pictures are arranged like that, it is coming like that. Insert equation. So whatever you will see, you need to remember the entire thing. I will just in the study material, I will just screenshot everything. Means these parts I will try to screenshot and I will try to post. But if you are having system, just learn those systems. Means make it, change it. No need to save it. You will discard that, or after saving you can delete that too. Just do by yourself, because this chapter mostly you have to learn by yourself. Okay, so I don't think that anything else I have left.
And how to download Zoom app in laptop?
From Google Chrome.
Not Google Chrome. In laptop Google Chrome is not there.